All right, ladies and gents, welcome back. Another beautiful day out here, and we are going to take off and go deliver the CR500 because that thing is sold. Then we have to come back and try to crate up that ZX6 because I want to deliver that one tomorrow, and we have a few other things to try to do. So yeah, fun stuff. Oh boys, would you just check out this weather? Is the rain ever gonna stop? Like, California is super out of the drought. We're good on the rains. We're ready for summertime. All right, guys, we are really in the money now. Now we're into the estates. This is pretty wild. I didn't expect the dude to live back here.
Right onto Hicks Road.
This is a pretty wild area. I've never been back here before, and you can see all the badass houses up the hill. We are back in the cuts of the richest area ever. I've never been back here, and this place is super awesome. Boys, they got gates. They got gates big time. Oh, and just like that, boys, we're leaving Bel Air. I was on the way to the bank to drop this money off, but when I see an estate sale sign and I have a pocket full of money from just selling a bike, we gotta go. We gotta go check it out. It'll probably be nothing, but we gotta go check it out. All right, boys, we didn't spend it all, but we did get a nice flannel for $3, so I guess it was worth it. I am a sucker for estate sales. Can't pass them up. Well, I think that's gonna work. I just need to get the chainsaw out and trim up that just a little bit. But other than that, that's a pretty good looking crate, or pallet, if I do say so myself. Oh, making big progress, guys. Got the oil drained out of her. All that's good. There's no coolant in it because the radiator's all busted. Gas is drained out. Got the crate up here, and my idea here is we're gonna put down cardboard first, then we'll put the bike on it, get all the other stuff on it, and wrap everything in cardboard. And then I bought a big roll of saran wrap. Oh, and I'm gonna ratchet strap everything down, and then we'll saran wrap it. The old tire here, I'm gonna put that down and rest the engine on that. I have a couple extra tires too, so we might use more than one. All right, I figured the easiest way to keep the cardboard down is we'll just staple it. Well, so I have these old Harley tires, and I think that they're gonna work a little bit better because they're a little bit bigger and more sturdy. That KLR tire is pretty small. All right. Well, how about that, boys? This is gonna be probably a little harder than even the first time I did it. I'm a bit winded, but it's on the crate. Now, just got to make it fit, and we might just have to take the front end off. But I want to lay it on its side first and go from there. But a little start with the old Ford, huh? Oh yeah, sounding good, real good. I've decided that I'm going to lay it on this side because that peg is already broken. Yeah, I got to pop off that mount, and we'll put that somewhere, and then get her laying over and see if we can pull that front end off. So we got to get these forks off here, and man, with them being all bent and shit, this is going to be a task. Kind of, sort of. Come on. Yeah. She don't want to come easy. That's for sure. Oh yeah, gotta love when you smash your fingers. Gotta love that part of the job. Let's get this out of here. It gives us a little bit more room to figure out where we're gonna put the gas tank and air box and stuff. This thing is a ton of work. I'm sweating. Guys, we're running out of daylight quick, but I'm getting it done. Got the gas tank all wrapped up, airbox all tidied, front seat, starter switch thingamabobber, extra hardware. So now I'm just gonna cover everything in cardboard and saran wrap this thing and then get her strapped down. So I pulled her over by the light so you could get a better look, but yeah, can't even tell there's a motorcycle in there. She's all snug and ready to go for tomorrow, which makes me happy because that was a lot of work, and tomorrow we can kind of just jump in the truck and go. All right, guys, another day working till dark o'clock, which is it's pretty normal, but you know, had to get it done. Busy day. We went all over God's green earth, had to deliver the CR500. Came back, it took forever to pallet that thing, but I had to make a pallet and cut up a bunch of boxes to like stuff around it, drain the fuel, drain the oil. It's actually kind of a process. So yeah, that took probably three hours of like steady work, 3-4 hours, crazy. But I'm glad that it sold. I appreciate that for sure. Got a few other stuff to put up for sale in the next few weeks here, so it's going to be busy. As always, thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow we're going to take that thing to Hayward and do some more cool stuff, so we'll see you tomorrow on the next one.